Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming reachability and permissions. First, ping or traceroute the remote IP to see if packets make it there. If they don't, note where they stop. Next, make sure you're using the correct port and protocol and that your credentials are valid. Wrong service settings will be rejected. Once done, temporarily disable local firewalls or disconnect VPNs that alter routing so you isolate whether the issue is local versus remote. Now you dig into the middle steps. Test the service port with Telnet or Netcat to see if a TCP handshake begins. No response means the service isn't listening or a filter blocks it. Then, review remote firewall rules and any access control lists, and request server logs for authentication or connection refusals. Meanwhile, capture packets with TCP dump or Wireshark to observe SYNs, RST, or ICMP unreachable messages, so you can determine whether the host, network, or service rejected the connection. Finish by applying the corrective action. Restart the service or reboot the host if changes weren't picked up, and then retest the connection. Make only minimal firewall changes, open the single required port and preserve security, and verify authentication workflows afterward. If it still fails, collect the server logs, client logs, and packet captures and escalate to the administrator or vendor. Key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, reproduce the failure under a clean client and attach that packet capture to speed diagnosis and avoid guesswork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.